Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Are you making the biggest mistake with your breakfast? You might think you're eating healthy, but your morning choices could be stopping your weight loss goals. Today, I'll show you some delicious, easy, and science-backed breakfast ideas that will help you burn fat and stay full for hours. Stay till the end for a surprise recipe. First, let's talk about why breakfast is so important for weight loss. When you wake up, your body needs fuel to start burning calories efficiently. A high-protein, high-fiber breakfast can boost your metabolism and prevent overeating later in the day. Key points: boosts metabolism, reduces cravings, keeps you energized, healthy breakfast idea. Number 1. High-protein scrambled eggs with veggies. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that help build muscle, improve metabolism, and keep you full for longer. They also provide essential nutrients like vitamin B12, choline, and omega-3s, which support brain function and heart health. But plain scrambled eggs can get boring. That's why we're upgrading them with colorful spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes, which add fiber, antioxidants, and an extra boost of vitamins. This combination makes your breakfast more nutrient-dense, low in calories, and super satisfying. Benefits of this meal for weight loss: high in protein, keeps you full and helps with muscle recovery. Low in calories, a balanced meal with the right amount of healthy fats. Rich in fiber, the veggies improve digestion and prevent bloating. Packed with vitamins, spinach provides iron, bell peppers give vitamin C, and tomatoes offer lycopene. Easy. Recipe: high-protein scrambled eggs with veggies. Ingredients: 2 eggs, or 3 egg whites for a lower-calorie option. 1/2 cup chopped spinach for fiber and iron. 1/4 cup diced bell peppers for vitamin C and crunch. 1/4 cup diced tomatoes for antioxidants and natural sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and salt for seasoning. 1 teaspoon olive oil for healthy fats. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them until smooth. If you're reducing calories, swap 1 whole egg for 2 egg whites. Heat 1 teaspoon olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the diced bell peppers and tomatoes to the pan. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until they soften. Toss in the spinach and cook for another 30 seconds until it wilts slightly. Pour in the eggs and gently scramble everything together. Stir continuously until the eggs are fluffy and fully cooked. Season with salt and pepper and serve hot. This meal is light, delicious, and takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. It's the perfect way to start your day with balanced nutrition and steady energy.